What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right now I am about to install some carbon fiber mirror caps. Now I wanted to preface because I wanted to install them last week's video, but I ended up installing another piece, which is the daily remote, which if you haven't seen that video, click up here and watch it. It's phenomenal. It changed the entire throttle response, the whole style of my car and how I drive. It changed it dramatically. So thank you so much, Kies, Brian and Gary out there at Kies Motorsports. Thank you so much for sending that over. Today I'm gonna install these caps on my G80. I am now starting the process of installing carbon fiber on the exterior of my car. So there's more parts coming your way. This is one of many to come. So yeah, let's get to that video. So you will need a different set of T screws, torque bits, right? Unfortunately, I only had the smallest size I had was a 10. But you know what? BMW decided to change up a few things. Let me focus up a little bit. Change up a few things, and now to take off the mirror caps, it's a two-piece process, right? Because you have the LED light that's right here, the turn signal. To remove that LED light, you will need a T9. Not a T10, but a T9. Which, on all F chassis, I mean, yeah, you don't need a T9. I think the smallest size you'll work with is a T10. I may be wrong, let me know in the comments, but that's where I'm at. So I had to buy this. I'll have it linked in the description, as well as where to get these caps. But anyways, let's get to the install. All right, so we're gonna get started. I got a few pick tools right here that I'm using that are fairly large, because I'm gonna go under here and pop this glass out very carefully. So let's get to that. The first thing I want to do is move the mirror as much as I can as possible, and then move it upwards. It's down. There you go, something like that. Hopefully that works. All right, cool. And then the next thing we're gonna do is pop open that mirror, which I am a little freaked out about because I don't want to crack that glass. It's gonna suck if it breaks. But yeah, let's get to it. You know, now that I'm looking at this, if you pop this glass all the way out, I could see the clip right there for the mirror. And I think if you just that's interesting. I think I could just pop it out without taking this full thing out. See if I could do that. So in there it is. You can see it right there. There's two clips. If you could get those things pinched inward, you may be able to just pop the top out, and then the whole thing should just come out. All right, so what I had to do is use two pick tools to actually clip the pins that are inside of the mirror cap that are holding it together. Now there's a total of three clips. One at the middle bottom of the cap, literally at the center of the glass. And there's also two, one on the top left and top right. Now, in my experience of taking these out, I just removed the top left. And the moment that I unclipped the top left, I was able just to remove the whole cap in total. So I literally just pulled it from left to right, and I was able to pull the whole mirror cap out. Do it carefully, you don't want to break those clips. Now let's go look at the other side, and I'll show you the inside. We're here on the other side, and we removed the cap as we did on the other side. I did not want to remove the glass because the glass is a little scary for me. Yeah, I just don't want to break the glass. I feel like I could easily replace these caps if something were to go wrong, rather than trying to get that, sorry, that's my cam that keeps on flickering. But yeah, I think I would rather go about it this way, maybe sacrifice a clip. Thank God I didn't break any clips. But I will say though, on the other side, I did happen to break one clip. Not the end of the world, it's still stuck on pretty well, but you know, these carbon fiber caps are not 100% on like the exact fitment. So you're gonna have to just like finesse it a little bit to make it work for you. So right now what I'm gonna do is just try to get this thing installed. Then yeah. Using your trusty T9, right? Because BMW decided to do that. So
a little tight.
All right, the light is installed, and great. So from what I learned in the other side is it's better to clip on this corner first. I found that to be the most challenging part of the install. So let's go ahead and do that. Hopefully it works out. Look at that. Perfect fit, man. Yep, this is great. So I am so excited for this. It looks so clean. Everything fit perfectly. And let's open her. Look at that. Doesn't that look just amazing? Wow. So clean, guys. All right, guys, so that's it for the install. My hair is just all over the place. I was kind of breaking a sweat because it wasn't an exact fitment, or maybe I just didn't place it in the right way, but I finally figured out how to place this carbon fiber mirror cap properly, and it just fit perfectly. So Kies Motorsports, Brian and Gary out there, thank you so much for sending this over. Guys, if you want to order one of these, click the link in my description, and you can order it for your G80 or your F chassis. I have a video on how to install for the F chassis as well. Guys, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe because I upload content at least once a week, and I'm here to support you guys in all DIYs, installs, reviews, and all that jazz. So anyways, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.